What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how I record my Minecraft gameplay using Windows 10, the Capture, Windows 10, Xbox, whatever you want to call it on here. So first, I'm OBS, just completely ignore this. You want to go to your Minecraft and you want to click Windows, the Windows key. It should have 4 little squares in it. Click the Windows key, hold the Windows key, and then click G. And it should open up a little bar like this. And then they have all different kinds of settings, like your general record game in the background. I have that off. The clips, show time while I'm recording, I have that off. The max length, I have 2 hours. And I have show tips when I start a game, just so you should have that on just in case you ever to make sure you have everything set. And then I have shortcuts. I have no shortcut keys. I use all of these keys because I remember them. And when you want to talk and you don't want to talk, you can hold Windows Alt and M, which is the Windows key, the Alt key, which says ALT, like it says right here, and then click M, and it'll turn it off and on. And it should give you, tell you. If it doesn't, then you have to figure. I know how to do it, but it'd be hard to show you right now. And then I don't use this either. To start and stop, I use this a lot to cut my videos and stuff. And I also use Movie Maker down here to edit them all together and put my intro on it. Then I have all these 9. You don't really need this unless you want that. Normally I'll have it on just so I know. And then I've already went over this. Now audio, you can record your microphone when you're recording, or you can just use /Windows Alt, not slash. I don't know why I said that. You can use Windows Alt and M if you'd rather do that to turn it off and on, which I think that's way better than using any other thing. So instead of having it always on, so you can turn it off. And that's basically how I record, and I'll show you. You can click this red button to start recording, and then you can click it again to stop, click the little box over here. And you can also take a screenshot with it. And you can go to Xbox if you have your Xbox logged in, and you click on this and drag it around if you want it moved. But I don't know if you can record full screen Minecraft, because I've tried it before and it worked, and I've tried it and it hasn't. And if you ever want to record with OBS, I'll show you my settings on it. It's gonna be hard because where I'm recording with OBS. So if you want to record with OBS and you have a low-end PC, here's what you do. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay, so you have OBS here. Okay, well I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so you have OBS here. Let me move it up. And don't worry about my background. Somehow my background changed to that, and I did not have that. Okay, so you pull this up here. You go to your settings, and then you go to general, which is I have enable cursor over project, or minimize. I have all this not checked. Language English, because I speak English. You put that, prefer whatever you put. Encoder, have that marked x264. My quality balance is on 10. And this max bitrate, you should put that on 20,000, just in case you have a low-end PC. Codec, or codec, I don't know, codec, I think that's how you say it. You put that on AAC. There's MP3, but keep it on AAC. The format is 48 KHZ, and then you have all this stuff. This should be normal, besides the bitrate and the quality balance. I think that might be different. You have your bitrate to 128, and you have your stereo as your channel. That's what you keep. Now go to your broadcast settings, and I'm just gonna click no because I want to make sure I didn't change anything. You have file. You change this to file output only. Sometimes it'll be on live stream, but change it to file output only if you want to record videos instead of stream. And now your file path, you can have this to whatever you want it, but I have it to C dot, which is the hard drive, users, and then my name. This was his name from a long time ago. And then videos, and then .flv. I have it as .flv so I can use it for Windows Movie Maker. And then you can have your replay buffer length. I have that on 1 second. I would not recommend changing that because I don't know really what it does. And then replay buffer file path, I have that I don't know how you do C dot, and then users, and then my name from before, and whatever your name of your whatever the name of your Microsoft account is, and then videos, and then replay, and then the slash, whatever that is, hyphen, the $t.flv. I don't know what that is. And then you want to move over to your video. Here you change it to custom. You put it as whatever your screen size is around here. I have mine to 16 by 900 because that's the size of my screen, and then 16 by 9. But this is your preference. You just make sure you know what your screen size is for your PC. Your resolution downscale should be set to none. Your FPS should be set to 25. And remember, guys, this is only for low-end PCs. Desktop audio device, you put it as whatever you want, but I don't really have like a audio device. That's if you want to talk. I just put them on default. Then you have your forced microphone / auxiliary to mono. I uncheck that. Show only connected devices. Keep that checked. These are all normal. This should be all like, I don't know. You shouldn't have to change anything for this. You want to go to your hotkeys. And now I have F9 and F10 to start and stop recording, and I have nothing else for these. I don't really like the push to talk buttons. I don't use them at all, because if I want to talk, I'm gonna talk for the whole video if I'm gonna use OBS. And this should all be like normal. It should all be none, and you can change it to whatever your preference is. Go to advanced now. Have use multi-threaded optimizations on checked, and then keep your process priority class to normal. Your scene buffering time milliseconds to 700. You can change this to whatever, 711. Keep it on 700. That's what I use. And then have all this unchecked. Have your X264 CPU usage on ultra fast. It will say this, but really it doesn't really do anything. And then have your encoding profile to high. Your keyframes to 0, interval, whatever. Use CF4, you can use it or you can not use it. I prefer not using it if you have a low-end PC. All this should be unchecked, normal, default, all this normal. 20, it should all be like you just got it. Quick sync, all this I'd never change, and then all this, so yeah, I don't know what's happening right now. Oh, okay. So that should be all you need to know about OBS now. And I have Microsoft Expression Encoder, like a video down here. I don't know really where it is. It's not on my desktop, but I don't like recording with it. I might just delete it. Okay. And guys, if you like the video, make sure to leave a like on it. And if you did use this, make sure to leave a like on it. If it did work for you. But if it didn't work for you, tell me your problem and I'll try to help you fix it. And peace, guys. I'll see you later in a later video. Bye.